Let's get ready for this. Get our gear on, all suited and booted. We ready to go? Yeah. Hey, you guys, there you are. Ready? Ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? 30-degree north madness. Let's go. Put some big wheels on it. Got the Taylor RC lug nuts, Taylor RC center braces, 2 CNHL 9500 milliamp CNHLs in here. This thing's heavy as hell. I'm gonna sit it down. We're running on 12S Max 5 G2. You know the deal. Let's hit this dirt hill and see what happens. Y'all ready for this? All right, YouTube, what's going on? There's the behemoth. Big old wheels on it, you guys. Method RC wheels. Let's see how it's gonna do with these big old wheels on it. Oh, she's cogging out. Must be geared too much gear with them big old wheels or something. That was amazing, though. Did you see that? Woo-hoo-hoo! It's unreal. You just can't full trigger it. You full trigger, she kicks out. Unplugged. She's back on again. Holy crap, yo. Ain't got no string one way. Oh, stuff. Oh, stuffed it so hard. What the hell? Did you survive that, dude? What the world? Did you survive that? She did. I like that cogging though. You cannot full trigger this thing. What? Did you all see this thing? That's two-wheel action coming through there on 2 wheels. Holy crap, I think she's back alive. Didn't like them. Let's just try to go a little easier on. Not easier, but you know what I mean. Enough to where we can actually hit it. That's overgeared. That's huge, y'all, with the 5T. Beast, y'all. It's a beast. I hate that I can't. Oh no! I hate that I can't full trigger this thing for y'all and show you its real power. That's not even nowhere near full trigger. That's about half trigger because she geared too much. Let's see if she does. Oh my God! I didn't think she was real happy, boys. That was nuts. Oh no. Oh no. Again. Cogging, I don't like that. Get up close and personal with the 5T. See the way it just glided over the top of that gracefully as could be? I gotta get my cogging issue fixed though. I always stand too close to this trap too. Alright. What? Did you see the tail whip that thing just did? And it pulled off and it's unplugged. Shit. Oh, that was amazing, y'all. Fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. I know this thing's kicking ass, dude. Just having so much fun out here. Always gotta be the little things that mess you up. That tail whip this thing did was awesome. It's real fast too, y'all. Like, it's real fast. Don't let it fool you. Yeah! Get you some of that, boys! Woo! Boys and girls, you see this big old monstrosity? This is what it's about, y'all. Get out here and get ripping, have some fun, man. This thing's amazing. 5T on 12S, amazing. Oh, you got to see a little bit of her juice right there. Cogged for a minute, but then she kicked in. What? What? Holy shit! Oh, that scared me to death to do it, but I finally just held it and did it. That was amazing. I mean, ever. And it's beautifully flawless. It's beautifully flawless. What? What? Holy shit, this truck's amazing. Holy shit. Did you see the flight? And it's on still. Wait, no. Oh, yeah, it's on. Oh, it's got them broke. All right, y'all. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. That was absolutely amazing, guys. Holy crap. The 5T out here throwing down. Unbelievable air assault with this thing, guys. Like, I want to do it again, for real. I really want to hit it again, man. Dang, I want to hit it again. Well, it's one more, you guys think? One more real hard one. I don't think I've seen anybody sending the old 5T like that fast and that hard. Beautiful. You guys, after that one, I'm officially leaving her alone. I'm gonna come back out here. I'm gonna get them pins soldered, guys, where I ain't gotta worry about it. And the way this truck was just hitting these jumps, boy, I'm coming out here and I'm literally full sending this thing. I'm gonna gear it down a little bit so to quit cogging to where I'm able to full send off this. And oh my God, guys, look how, I mean, look how big this truck is, how far it was going, y'all. It is absolutely amazing. Like, I can't. Taylor RC, center braces, CNHL, obviously Kevin. You guys over at CNHL are amazing. 9,500 milliamp. Everybody says they're too big to bash. You can't bash them. Well, I've been bashing them. We got a 650 kV hobby wing motor in there. Max 5 G2, geared to the moon, y'all. Well, it wasn't bad until I put these bigger tires on here. Now it's got some cogging issues, which I don't understand. It's fully censored, so I don't understand. Maybe I'll unplug the sensor, see if it quits that. But you guys, just hands down, I can't say enough about the thing. Like, you've seen it. If you guys do me a favor, if you're not subscribed already, could you consider doing so? It helped me out the channel tremendously. I mean, I think you just need to share it with a lot more people, guys, and let them see, all these newcomers or anybody else, see how much fun you can have with these things. And yeah, guys, if you don't mind, share the content, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I appreciate you guys, and that was an absolute blast. Vitavon, I think Arthur in there too. Vitavon center brace mount, the whole center brace deal there, and the motor mount back here that holds the backs, all Vitavon. Yeah, amazing. Bone stock truck. Other than that though, guys, I mean, talking bone stock, I've not changed it. I put some center fluid in the center diff. Other than that, completely bone stock truck, guys, on 12S method RC. Sensor wire back in, it's got power again. I don't know, like I said, guys, yeah, a beautiful day. God blessed us with knowing breathing, and yeah, I'm gonna quit yapping, guys. Just look at this place, man. Just look how beautiful it is out here, y'all. Just an amazing place to be at and have some fun. Beautiful family, beautiful people around you. Get out here and enjoy life, y'all. Peace out. Remember, click that subscribe, watch some more shenanigans. Biggest 5T jumps. I believe, honestly, I ain't never seen nobody hit a jump that fast, coming in that hot with a 5T this big, ever. I'm willing to say I've never seen it. I ain't saying it ain't been done, but I'm telling you now, I've never seen nobody come in as hot as I just did with a monster truck this big and launching stuff like that. Aldo, I've seen him launch some big trucks off his jumps, but this thing is a monster, guys. Like, what it was doing right there and how flat and beautiful it flew, just amazing. Peace out, guys. Get out here and enjoy life.